So here you can see they have done close to 42 lakhs. That will be close to $50,000 in sales. So you can see the last 30 days around 16.37% ACOS, which is really good. Their ROAS is really high, 6.11%. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sammy and today I'm going to show you one of our clients case study who is doing close to 45 lakhs a month in sales. And what is the tacos moving on? The tacos is around 6 to 7%. I'm going to show you exactly how it is going on. But the main thing here is what we look at when we look at any account, we say that yes, the maximum parts of the spend or maximum sales would be coming from sponsored products. A small percentage should come from brands, and more than small comes from display ads. They're not running DSP. Now, for this particular account, there is something strange happening, and that needs to be shown you because their majority of the sale is coming from sponsored brands. Now, why that is happening, I'll show you. Now, if I just show you their sales, they're around doing close to 1 lakh, 1.4 to 2 lakhs a day in sales. And if I just show you the reports, so go to the reports. So I'll do last 30 days to show you guys. So here you can see they have done close to 42 lakhs. That will be close to $50,000 in sales. And let me just go to the advertising dashboard. So you can see the last 30 days around 16.37% ACOS, which is really good. Their ROAS is really high, 6.11%. This is the spend. And let me just filter it down here, type sponsored products. So you can see sponsored products have spent close to 8,000 rupees out of 50,000, I guess. Then I'll go to sponsored brands. Sponsored brands, here you can see 42,000 rupees has been spent on sponsored brands, which is the majority. So why this is happening? Because we have seen that they are delivering really good and their brand name is really dominating in the market. And they are also one of the main brands or one of the top competitors in the market with thousands of reviews holding in their account on their AA signs, which are top moving. They are generating good traffic in their store. Their store is really well optimized and getting really high amount of sales through that. Their brand dominated keywords, their branded keywords are really performing good, which mainly performs, but they have a lot of branded keywords because their catalog is huge and they are dominating the market. So this kind of result is really typical when you are a player in the market and when your brand is recognized by the customers itself and your branded keywords are much more higher. Now, obviously for this account, we are focusing a lot now in sponsored products as well, because in order to increase more new to brand buyers as well. So that is how this particular account is being structured. And this is kind of strange, that is happening. Comment below if you see that this is strange that is happening, where maximum almost 90% of the budget is going to sponsored brands rather than sponsored products. Type in the comment below if you see this is not typical and you have seen this kind of results, and type in the comment below. And if you haven't seen, then type in the comment below as well and make sure we know what you have seen. Thank you so much. I'll see you again in next video. Hope this kind of case studies really improves your general knowledge about what is happening in the Amazon space, and this can really boost your motivation in order to get or scale your business as well. Thank you so much. If you want us to audit your account, or if you want us to handle your or manage your advertising, make sure you reach out to the website attached below in the description, and my team will reach out to you and make sure we are the right fit for your brand. Thank you so much. I'll see you again in next video.